Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the 2022 Audi SQ7 and its driver assistance features. The SQ7 being a derivative of the Q7 is available in the Premium Plus and the Prestige trims. In terms of driver assistance, the only options are between the Prestige and the Premium Plus. The Prestige receiving the head-up display, intersection assist, and remote park assist plus. Therefore, we're not really going to be seeing those too much in this video. The Premium Plus includes everything you'd want, such as adaptive cruise control, lane guidance, and the various suite of Audi Pre Sense, including rear cross traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, etc., etc. Hope you enjoy the video. Please note that the 2023 and 2022 SQ7, not many features have really changed in terms of content available. Hope you guys enjoy. So we're cruising along. Let's see how the driver assistance works. Go to that screen. And then we'll set adaptive cruise. Doesn't get too confused with that. Overtaking power. Pretty familiar. Not a lot of curves to experiment with out here. Telling me to keep my hand on the wheel with that little screen over there. It's really hard to tell on these roads, but based on what I'm seeing from my perspective, it looks like it's handling it very well. We got a curve coming up. Let's see how it handles that. Keep my hands on the wheel so I don't make the system angry. Adaptive cruise control definitely hits the brakes in a very comfortable way. Doesn't slam on them, but definitely doesn't hesitate. Yeah, I think just getting used to the size definitely takes the turns well. I will give it that. Slow down to traffic speed. Let's see how it does here. Is there a traffic jam assist in this car? I don't know. Taking the turn very nicely. Yeah, I'm paying attention. Definitely bugs you a lot to take over steering, but it's doing the job nice. I definitely feel relaxed and less focused on the driving. But still focused enough, obviously, to pay attention. Overtaking, how do we do? A little delay as it picks up, but doesn't shoot you forward, doesn't take forever to get the idea. These cars have good torque, so it's definitely gonna speed up. Let's see as we get this gap. Where does it go? Straight through. Straight through, found the other lane, brought us back over, yelled at me because I was pointing with my hands. Very nice. Let's see how it does with this. No one's behind, or no one's to my sides. As it takes the lane. No one's behind me still. Nice. That's good. I'm impressed. Alright, let's see how it does here. Take my hands off the wheel. Merge over, big truck. Find the right, find the right, find the left, find the left. Yeah, I mean, it did a job. I wouldn't necessarily use the system like that anyways, so I usually take over for any mergers, so not bad. Find the lane, right back into it. This is a good system. It does the job. Absolutely. Is it any different from the system I have in my car? I thought maybe the you know, the cars like with this setup, like kind of the ooh, dead deer, the next level luxury would have a little bit more sophisticated system. I don't think it's any different or more confident than mine, but that's fine. It's what you need, you know, something to just take the ease off. Look, it's taking these curves very well. I think I'm just not used to the size of the car on that end, but you look over, it's definitely in the lines, no doubt about that. And I think these systems like to hug the right, so. But yeah, it's keeping a good distance from the car in front of me. Definitely prompts you to keep your hands on the wheel a lot, but you know, like my car, I just kind of put my hand on it once in a while and we're good.